This is a story about what is shabby things.